Namaste, namaste, namaste. Ay. Namaste, bye. Namaste, bye. Wow.
Swimming?
Swimming? It's allowed? Swimming?
No.
It's not allowed.
Yeah.
Why? I shower first, you know. I shower first.
Okay.
Wow, I love Pokhara. First day I'm in love with this city. Namaste guys from Pokhara. I finally did it. I arrived yesterday and now I'm here and I'm so happy because it's so beautiful. Wow, I didn't expect this to be such a beautiful place. It's a really update. Oh, noise. And now I'm going to the lake, of course the famous lake of Pokhara. I forgot the name. As always, yeah, I didn't prepare for Pokhara, so I didn't any research. I came here by the bus with the VIP sofa seat. It was a good ride, a little bit long, but I'm super glad I'm here. And now let's go to the lake. Wow, it's so beautiful and not so dusty like Kathmandu. Okay, let's walk on. Let's go up again. I would love to swim in this lake, but first I have to ask the locals if this is okay. I'm sure it is. I don't see a reason why not. But let's ask the locals. I did ask one, but his English was not the best, so he couldn't answer my question of the swimming in this lake. Yeah, I need to ask someone with better English and better knowledge about the swimming in this lake. Yeah, of course it's a touristic city and you see a lot of tourists preparing for the Annapurna base camp trek. I would love to do that, but I doubt it that I'm too fit for this. Oh, music. Let's flee from the music. Wow, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy right now. And I'm sure Nepal has more to offer, like Pokhara. I would love to discover the village life, but sadly I'm just here for 3 weeks. So I definitely need to come back here and make some trekking and see the village life, not just the big cities. Oh, I need to go to the ATM because my elephants are gone. So I need new elephants to buy something. Okay, maybe we can grab a coconut. Let's ask the price. Namaste. How much for the coconut juice? 250. Yeah. What about 200? Okay, 250. But the big one. Big one, okay? Yeah, I think it's my first coconut in Nepal. Let me check my elephants. 250, I'm not sure. Oh, he's cutting it. With skills. Okay, like a champ. Wow, that's a big one. Thank you. Wow,
Welcome.
this looks so delicious. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, YouTube channel.
YouTube channel, yes.
Name.
Name, wait. My name is too complicated. I need to give you my card.
Okay. Subscriber.
Yeah, thank you.
1, 2, 3 subscriber.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. For you.
Welcome.
You can share.
Okay.
So, I have enough. So what is the best thing to do in Pokhara?
Banana.
What is the best thing to do?
Boating, traveling.
Boating? Traveling?
Sarangkot.
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 Like this.
Is this mountain?
Yeah.
With the cable car?
Yeah.
Okay,
Ah, okay. Yeah, I do that. Okay. Thank you for the tip and for the
Welcome.
coconut. Let me take a sip. Ah. Okay, you see the people are super friendly here. Wait. Let's ask the people here. Is it okay to swim here?
Swimming.
Swimming is allowed?
You allow
Swimming?
the tiger have a- No, no.
It's not allowed.
Yeah.
Why?
किन अब फेरि भन्नु
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Utapatti paintsu, utapatti.
It's not allowed to swim here.
Yeah.
Why?
फेरि किन भन्ने
I shower first, you know. I shower first.
Okay, okay, so allow it, no problem.
Okay, so that's the second guy I asked, and I didn't get a really answer.
Yeah.
But yeah, maybe I need to ask a third person. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, next time I come and buy more of this delicious coconut. Okay, I did ask now two people. They didn't know properly, so I think that's a yes. Let me grab my bikini and off I go, because I love to swim and the water looks so clean. Well, it's actually a good coconut. Very bit hard to drink. Wow. It's like a workout. Wow, this thing is double size of my head. Oh, the cows. Oh, so cute. So cute, the cows. Remind me of my home country. Oh, that looks like a baby one. Maybe 6 months. Wow, so cute. Are they chilling here? Wow, maybe we can do a cow feeding. Sadly, I don't have my carrots or apples. I don't know what cows prefer. Wow, so beautiful. No trash, no trash. Yes, a lot in India, the cows eating the trash. Yes, sadly I can give you my coconut. Yeah, you smell the coconut? Yes. Wow, what a beautiful animal. Okay, let's have another sip. I'm not sure, is this a Nepali coconut? Or they need to import this? I don't know. There are palm trees. But okay, I need to ask next time where this delicious coconut come from. Okay, it's a little bit hard to film. Where is the sun here? Okay. Wow, 20 minutes. Wow, it's super refreshing. Maybe. I'm so unfit, guys. Now I changed the hand and do the workout here. Wow, but this is actually a delicious coconut, Nepali coconut for 250. I'm not sure about the price. 250 is about $2. So that seems a little bit high. But maybe you can comment down below. Is this a good price for this big coconut? 250. New country, new currency, new prices. So I'm a newbie in the Nepali rupee. So
Hello! Give me!
what? You want? Okay, he won my nut. Okay. Okay. Drinking? Okay. Bye. Okay, I gave my coconut to this lovely boy.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Wait. It's too complicated. I need to give you my card. Are you from Pokhara?
Yeah. Are you insane?
Yeah, wow, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's my first day.
How many subscribers do you have?
Sorry?
How many subscribers?
5. I'm allowed to swim here. You know this? I'm allowed to swim here.
Yes.
It's okay.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not illegal.
No.
Okay.
No illegal.
Okay.
I think it's too cool. Too cool.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. Switzerland.
Oh, wow.
And you? Waiting here for the bus, or what is this?
No, just enjoying the view.
Ah, this is not the bus station.
Yeah.
Looks like the bus station, you know. But yeah, it doesn't make sense to get a bus here. Okay, thank you guys. See you. Can I walk here? Yeah. Yeah, I see the jumping point. Wow, this would be epic to jump from there. Music. Oh, music. This is the Nepali hip hop, maybe. Okay, free hand. I gave my coconut to this boy. Hope he shares with his friends the 250 elephant, Nepali elephant coconut, maybe from Nepal or India. Okay, now we are at the boat section and the toilet. Pay first the 10 rupee toilet. Okay, 10 rupees and you're good to go. Okay, this is the street. I don't want to go to the street, of course. Okay, let's walk on. And this is the school, Pokhara school. Namaste. Oh, you see, so friendly people. Switzerland. You know Switzerland? Namaste, bye. Wow. Wow. So friendly kids. Yeah, I love Nepal. Nepal is a great country. Great country with a lot of good people. So come to Nepal. Oh. Let's ring the bell. I'm not sure if this is the school bell or the religious bell, but I don't know why you need. This is the temple. Okay, why they use the bell for the temple. Oh yeah, I'm out of elephants now. I think we have 300 Nepali rupees left. So
What is your YouTube channel?
YouTube channel name. I give you my card, eh?
Yes.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
What is
Subscribe, please.
channel name?
They're so funny. Bye, guys. Enjoy. Keep learning, eh? Okay, wow, sweet kids. Now maybe I gain some new subscribers. Wow, they are so sweet. Okay, oh, soon I need to change the battery. It's 30 minutes running time with the 4K GoPro. And it's a little bit hot. Yeah, this is the issue with the GoPro. I'm not sure how the big YouTubers vlogging with the GoPro with the overheating problem to make longer vlogs. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I have to ask Harry Jaggart. Maybe he will reply to this famous YouTuber with the bad English and the bad editing and camera skills. How you can ride the pedalo. But I need to go to the ATM first to get more elephants. I need the elephants. And sometimes it's hard when you go to the ATM, they give you like the 1,000 elephant bills. And then when you want to take a taxi, they don't have change. So always have to carry small bills to get a taxi. Otherwise you will pay more because they don't have change, or you have to search a place where you can change your elephant bills into smaller bills. Oh wow. Wow, so friendly people. Wow, these kids made my day. They were so happy and so friendly, well behaved. So God bless these Nepali kids. Yeah, soon is the winter end, and I think Mount Everest season starting in April, March, April, and a lot of tourists try to climb with the Sherpas. Of course, the Sherpas do all the work, so the heroes are the Sherpas, not the lazy tourists. And you need to pay 30,000 up to like 30,000 to 100,000 to go to the Everest. Try to reach the how do you say, the top. And yeah, but one time in the Mount Everest base camp would be epic. Wow, what the epic spot. And the water is so clean. Incredible. Incredible. Wow, I love Pokhara. First day I'm in love with this city. And I want to see more, and I think you can stay here longer, and it's so much to explore here and near to here.